Hi, beautiful souls. Today we're going to be tapping and we're doing a little mini series for 30 days where we're going to fix our frequency with money. And what I mean by that is imagine money is a person, right? Sometimes we cling and attach to money like really tightly, which makes it even more like further away from us. So if you ever were in a relationship and you were a clingy partner or your partner was clingy, you probably felt suffocated, right? So that's the same thing with money. So if you cling on to it or you get too attached to it, it kind of makes it go further. So one of the things that we're going to be releasing is attachment. So every single day we're going to release things like attachment or like worry or stress or fear, guilt, anything that comes up regarding money. And then we're going to be imbibing positive, do a positive round of EFT to imbibe all the positive affirmations about money. And every day I'll update you guys if there's things that are happening in my life which I see. And if things don't happen for you straight away, don't get disappointed and don't lose hope, because things will show up. I truly believe 100% it will show up because you're releasing all the blocks from your life, and obviously abundance will find its way to you. And I'll tell you because there was a time where I was anxious about money. This was actually like probably last year. And I was like tapping, 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 and I was like, "Ugh, I'm a money magnet and all those things." And even though I wasn't really feeling it in my body, I was like tapping and saying all these affirmations. And then I was in the car, and then I get out of the car and I see a $50 bill. And I thought that was a really cute sign from the universe. So yeah, let's start with today's session. It's going to be about fear of not making enough money, or fear of running out of money. So let's begin. We'll start with the karate point. Chop. Even though I feel all this fear about not making enough money in my life, I still choose to deeply love, accept, and honor myself. Even though I'm feeling all this fear towards my future, I still choose to love, accept, and honor myself anyways. Even though I'm so fearful that money won't show up in my life when I need it, I still choose to love, accept, and honor myself. All this fear about not making enough money, I release it now from my mind, body, and soul. All this fear about not having enough money in my life right now, I release, release, release. All this fear about not being good enough to make money, release, release, release. All this fear of being broke in the future, I release, release, release. All this fear that money won't show up when I need it, I release it from my mind, body, and spirit. All this fear about anything related to money, I release, release, release. Any fear stuck inside my body, I release, release, release. Any fear that's stuck in any cells of my DNA, I release it now. I release all this fear from my mind, body, and spirit. I choose to be open to receiving money in expected and unexpected ways. I am now open to receiving money, even in small amounts or big amounts. Because you know what? Money loves me, and I love money. Money loves my energy, so it follows me everywhere I go. Money loves my company, so it hangs out with me every single day. I trust the universe that money will show up in my life whenever I need it. And I trust the universe that money is already on its way to me. I trust that the universe will show me the right opportunities at the right time to make the money that I need. And it's so easy for me to make money. It's so easy for me to make money. All I need to do is just be myself. I don't need to chase money because money chases me. Money always shows up into my life because I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. And I love money. And money loves me. So thank you, money, for always supporting me, even when I didn't see it. Thank you, money, for always showing up in my life. Thank you, universe, for always supporting me and for sending me little nudges. Now take a deep breath in and let it out. Let me know how you guys went and follow along for more of these money related videos.